Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha, and those that are new, kindly subscribe to this channel. And our video today is how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. For example, we're going to try to create one with this last video, how to add a Google account on your mobile phone, Gmail account or whatever. Alright, we want to get the thumbnail for this video, this last one. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you how I do it. I look for a I go to I go to, where is it? I go to Google, and you go to Pixabay. You want to get free pictures, free images, so you can use them without anyone tapping your hand. Okay, let's just choose this. Which one? Maybe this. Okay, I'm just going to do this for sake of illustration. You can choose any free one, so you can download freely. Click on download, and you need to make sure you're not a robot. Okay, you download it. Alright, and opening. I just want to save it on my mobile device, so I'll send it off. This is the way I do it. It makes it easy for me, so you choose the way that works for you. I like to have them online, so whenever I sign it on any device, I can find them. Alright, I'm just going to do this particular one, or you can make two. Let's try to make two, and go back, try to look for, let's choose this big one. Let's choose this one. Click download, free download. Okay, these are free images, they are copyright free. Yeah, so you download that also. Do the same, open it. I'll send it to myself, and that's the one right here. Okay, so I'll go to, where is it? I'll go here and try to save it. Okay, I'll save these two, these latest. I'll save, click here, save, and then the last one, click save. Okay, now I have, if you to, you can choose. I normally use a photo to put the pictures. You can choose any of your choice, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 depending on what you want. All right, so this, okay, save to drafts. This is the last thing I was doing. So you go to photo grid, create new, create your images. Okay, for this case we have two. All right, we have two. You see which outlet. These are not really nice. They don't look nice at all. But I'll just use any for illustration. All these are premium. The ones that you see with this pink thing up, they are for premier stuff, so you must have upgraded. Let's just go with any. I just want to show you guys. Actually, I'm not going to use this thumbnail, but anyhow, let's say this. Let's just go by that. Okay, click save. What's the title of the video? You want to put a thumbnail that actually matches the title. How to add a Google account on your mobile phone. Alright, let's put a little text in there. Add another Google Gmail account or let's say add another Google account, excuse me. So we can align to the middle, and then we can say done, and we can choose the font. You can choose any fonts that you like. Maybe choose which one, anyone. Okay, maybe this. Okay, let's go by that for the sake of illustrations, and you can choose any color. Okay, all those are different selections, and then you can decide to move it wherever you want it. You can expand it, you can twist it, you can. Now I'm using a phone, so I pinch in or out to to adjust. You guys understand these things, you try them out and you learn on job. So you want to make it big so that the viewer will look at the video, will look at the where do I put this? It's too big. We'll look at the thumbnail and know what exactly the video is about. Add another Google account. Alright, let's just go by that. And for the sake of this video, I want to make it really quick, so let's assume you're done, so you save it. Alright, well, you want to go to your YouTube studio. That's where we edit videos from. If you want to add a thumbnail, I'll go to YouTube studio. Alright, for this particular video, the last one, you click on it and you see it brings for you. This is the current thumbnail. I literally just uploaded this. I was in a rush, so you can always edit. Okay, you can edit everything. So you edit this, you click on this edit icon, and then there's just another one inside, and you can download it, or me, I already have it on my phone, so I can say change. Oh, which one? Okay, this one. Okay, and let's select. You can make it any way, the way you want it. It's a DIY. You do what makes you happy and what suits your need. Alright, so this is our thumbnail, and then you click save. Alright, you click save, and then we shall go to the main YouTube to refresh. Let's see your channel, your videos, and it was the last video, and boom, this is how it looks. This is the new look of our thumbnail. I hope you guys learned something. It's for the sake of illustration. It's a step by step. You keep trying out. Yeah, so this is our video, and this is the thumbnail. When you click, you won't see the thumbnail, you will see the video. Alright, that's the magic. The thumbnail is just to help catch the viewers attention, and also to portray what is in the video, so it helps the viewers to know what to expect. Alright guys, this is it for now. Thank you so very much for watching this video till the end. Till next time, please comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to get from me, and give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and yeah, let's catch up in the next one. God bless you. Bye bye. I'll stop this.